Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Tissot T Touch Connect solar watch to your smartphone. First, make sure your watch has sufficient battery, ideally fully charged, to avoid interruptions during setup. Next, download the official Tissot T Touch Connect app from your device's app store. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your phone. This is a crucial step before initiating the pairing process. We'll guide you through each stage for a smooth connection. Now, let's start the pairing. Open the Tissot T Touch Connect app on your smartphone. The app will guide you with clear on-screen instructions to begin the connection. You'll likely see an option to add a new watch or start pairing. Once prompted, select your exact Tissot T Touch Connect solar model from the available list to ensure proper synchronization. This step is vital for establishing the initial link. After initiating the pairing, a unique 6-digit pairing code will display on both your Tissot T Touch Connect solar watch and your smartphone screen. It's very important to carefully compare these codes to ensure they match exactly. This verification step confirms you are connecting to the correct device and enhances security. Once confirmed, tap Pair or Connect within the app to finalize the secure connection. Congratulations! Your Tissot T Touch Connect solar watch is now successfully connected to your phone. The watch will automatically synchronize data, including time, date, and activity information, with the app. You can now explore and customize various settings, manage notifications, and access detailed insights into your activity tracking and the watch's impressive solar charging performance, all through the intuitive Tissot T Touch Connect app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.